video. I have this unit. It is a 4x4 lace closure wig, and it is a water wave texture, and this was in 24 inches, and this is from MslynnHair. So in this video I'm basically showing you guys a different method for installing your wigs. I'm not using any glue. All I'm using is gel and hairspray pretty much, and it's a different method whenever you guys don't want to use the glue, or if you're a beginner, this is way better to start with. So if you're on the go and you just want something quick but you still want it to look like a real glue install, this is a different method that you guys could use. I had a lot of my clients, ask me about different ways to install their wigs, especially for their first time, so I felt like it was a good idea to do this video. So this is also, I guess, a tutorial on how to fix any dark lace. And enough of me talking. If you guys want to purchase this hair or anything, I do have Miss Lynn's links down below. And enough of me talking, let's just get right into the video. So for this install, I'm not going to glue down the wig cap. It's really not needed. I just did that the last 4x4 install, but it's not needed at all. So the lace looks a bit too dark. Like, it looks like, do you guys see that? My hands are lighter than my face though, so we'll see, but you guys can see there's a difference. I don't think it's that bad on my head, but I'm just gonna go and put some foundation on here. Not foundation, I'm gonna do like a shade lighter than my foundation, just so that it doesn't look dark. I'm gonna try and lighten it up a bit, but I already did bleach the knots, and when I did bleach the knots, it bleached, but it's not like yellow like how it should be. It's a bit red, and that just tells you that the hair is oh my god, I was gonna say dullard. I was gonna say dyed or colored, but yeah, the hair is dyed black or something. It has color on it, because when I tried bleaching it, it's more of like a red tint, but the knots are not black, so whatever, it works. I'm just gonna put some of the shade right here. I don't know why I'm using a smaller brush, but use something bigger to not waste time. And let's hope that works a little. So it's not that bad on my head. I guess my, what's it called? Let me see. Yeah, I guess my face is darker than my hands, so it doesn't look too bad, but you can still see the like distinction. I like using lighter laces on all my clients, even on myself. Like, I don't like using darker laces because it's just harder to work with, and you can see the separation. But I'm really gonna try and make this work. So I think the best option is to first glue it down, and then after that, I'm just gonna play around with some lighter powders and cover up the lace to make it blend, and also baby hairs. So I'm just gonna mark my spots. You don't have to do this. I just like doing it. You can see there's like a lot of foundation on there, so you do want to clean that off if you want it to stick better. And you can just use alcohol. I'm using hand sanitizer, and just clean that up. I'm just going to be using Got To Be gel and the free spray. This isn't good for your hair, so I know, like, right here I don't have any hair, and none of my hair is going to be like touching any of these products. Yeah, I don't recommend using these like if you have a lot of hair or anything. It's just better on skin. They do have a lot of alcohol in them, so it can thin out your hair and all that if you continuously like wear it. So I'm gonna first go with the gel and do a layer, not too thick and not too thin, and then over that I'm gonna be using the free spray. And now blow dry it to get tacky, and once it's like sticky, you can put the lace on. So now that it's tacky, I'm gonna put the lace on. that should be good. So I'm gonna now cut the lace, and I'm just gonna use scissors. Okay, so for the little pieces that are lifting, this is the method that I saw. I forget who it was. I think it was Jonathan. I'm pretty sure Jonathan, but they just use like hairspray and spray down the edges that were lifting. But you know what? I'm also gonna put some of the Got To Be just to be safe. It's not too bad. We can make it work. I'm just gonna do the baby hairs first. Now I'm just gonna let that sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'll be back with the hot comb. So it's been about 5-7 minutes. Kind of lost track. Okay, it's settled in, but we can kind of see like where the separation is. So I have this palette here, and I'm gonna play around with some powders and try and cover up that pretty much. Okay, so I'm pretty much just getting a lighter shade. I'm using this one right here, and I'm trying to cover up the dark lace. And it's better to use a powder for this because it can stay put, but like a foundation or a concealer might move around. It'll still work, and then when I do my middle part, I'll also... Okay, so that will do. And this hair is really soft, so it doesn't really need like gel or anything, or I mean wax to lay it down, but yeah, just a hot comb by itself does the job. Yeah, I think I want to do this side, like a no part look. I'm not gonna even do a part. All right, that looks good. And I'm just gonna use some mousse. So this is Vital olive oil foam wrap lotion. You guys can use any mousse. And there we are. The look is all done, and I'm surprised that it actually worked out. The lace was kind of scary to work with, but we made it work like always. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I do like the texture of the hair. It's really nice and soft. They did say that this was 24 inches, but kind of feels like 22, but it can still pass. And I like how it's really black. That is pretty much it for this install tutorial / review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below what you would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!